Manipur Chief Electoral Officer Pradeep Kumar Jha has said that 1,058 polling stations out of 2,955 have been identified as vulnerable critical in the state. Addressing a press conference here, Jha said the first phase of polls on April 19 will cover 47 assembly segments, while the second phase on April 27-26 will have 16 assembly segments. The last date for filing nomination is March 27th. He said the state has a total number of 10,47,929 females and 9,80,855 male voters in addition to 239 transgender electors. To check elections expenditure, 197 flying squads, 194 static surveillance teams, 92 video surveillance teams, 60 video viewing teams and 60 accounting teams have been constituted. He further stated that special polling arrangements have been made for senior citizens who are above 85 years of age and for those patients who have been affected by coronavirus and who are under quarantine. TREN officials have visited polling stations for identifications of vulnerable locations. A total of 1,058 polling stations have been identified as vulnerable and critical. He said adding steps have been taken to identify history sheeters, troublemongers and persons who might create trouble. These critical and vulnerable polling stations will be brought under webcasting or videography, along with deployment of micro-observers and additional deployment of CAPFs, he said.
State regarding media certification and monitoring committee, the state level MCMC, the pre-certification committee as well as district level MCMC have been constituted to pre-certify political advertisements and to check paid news. Political parties and the candidates will have to apply at least 48 hours in advance for publication of political advertisements in electronic media, including social media. All political advertisement to be published in electronic media shall be mandatorily pre-certified by the MCMC. Use of various IT tools is also being taken up so that lots of issues get resolved and taken care of in real time. So various IT applications like Know Your Candidate, Suvidha app, Saksham app for persons with disabilities, C-Vigil app, E-Atlas, Polestar, etc. will be used. Permission may be obtained online for holding meeting, campaign, etc. by candidates and political parties 48 hours in advance through Suvidha app. Complaints also, if any, may be lodged by any citizen through C-Vigil, where a complainant may upload picture or video and report violation of Model Code of Conduct. Is provided for also for persons with disabilities, and this facility also extends to senior citizens above the age of 85 years and electors who are quarantined due to COVID. This facility will be made optional to the electors. PWD electors will also be provided with vehicles, volunteers and wheelchairs wherever required.